Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version on Android. Now this problem usually appears while downloading the applications from the Play Store. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store. Over here, you just have to tap on this search icon. Afterwards, you need to search for the app again in which you are basically getting this error. For example, let's say if I search for BGMI, and here after searching for the application, sometimes the error shows because the Play Store data is not refreshed properly. Now once you are done, simply go to the settings of your device. In the device, you just have to look for the Google Play Store app info. From there, simply clear the cache and clear the data to reset the store's information. Now simply go to the phone's settings of your device. Over here, scroll down, then tap on the option of apps. In the apps, tap on the option of app management. Now use the search bar on the top and search for Google Play Store. Once you are in the app info of the Google Play Store, simply click on the option of the storage and here tap on the option of clear cache. Now once this step is done, in order to check your Android version, simply go to the settings of your device again. This time you just have to scroll all the way down and look for the option of about this device. Now over here it is going to show you the latest version that you are using for your Android. If your Android version is too old, the application may not support your device anymore. After that, simply restart your phone by opening the Play Store again and make sure that you are signed in with the correct Google account as well. If the application is still showing you incompatible, it means that the developer has restricted the application for your device model or your region, or you may need to wait for an update or use an alternative application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.